Hey guys, it's Jonah Manzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. In today's topic, we're going to talk about the TikTok verification of the website. As you can see, this is my TikTok official account. I've actually made a lot of videos here. That's my username, Jonah Cruz Manzano. You can see a lot of videos that I've actually created. Not a lot of them have views. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have lower views that you can't get verified. It's not about the views. It's not about the followers. It's all about you being real, authentic, and having featured articles. Okay, so you can do this in the app, but you can also do this on the website. So let me show it to you how to do it on the website. Okay, so you gotta have to go to the actual official website of TikTok account. Okay, so we're going to see the link. As you can see on the top, it says tiktok.com. It has to be tiktok.com. You can also Google this and type TikTok verification. It will pop up on the first one. It says submit a verification request. So we're going to click on this and you will see what needs to be done from here. As you can see, it will ask for your email address, your username, and what can we help you with. So we need to work on this form. It's a very simple form that we need to look at. As you can see, submit a verification request. You're going to have to put your email address here. It's very, very important. Okay, don't forget that because that's the way they communicate to you. I'm going to put 1234 at gmail.com just for the purpose for this training. Your username, it's obviously your profile account. As you can see on the top, my profile username is Jonah Cruz Manzano. You can just simply copy paste that and then paste it on that form. It says there username can be found on an account TikTok's profile. Also, at the bottom, an empty field, you need to fill this up. Don't forget. So, what you need to do here is very important. You're going to have to say, because I'm a musician, I'm going to say, I need to get verified on TikTok. So, I'm a musician. I also write songs. I do cover songs. So, I'm going to put this one in the form. So, it depends on your niche. All right. So, I'm going to type it up. I am a musician. I write songs and do cover songs. Okay, so obviously it depends on what you do in your life, but this is what I do. After that, what you need to do, very important, is to put some links of your Facebook page. You can also put the link of your Instagram public account. It has to be public account, not private one. Your X or Twitter account. If you have Linktree account, obviously, if you have an official website, you can also put this one here. It is important to have an official website as it tells the TikTok that you are a legit business or person or organization. So if you all have that, you're going to have to put your articles. Very important. Articles is a news featured article about you. It can be SBS, CNN, and such. So it has to be prestigious, news article that talks only about you. So as you can see, I type SBS or CNN. Next to SBS, you can just put the links here. You can copy the links. It's not about your social media account. It has to be your featured articles. Now here, the attachments. It's basically you can actually screenshot your Instagram account. Okay, I'm just gonna do it here, and from here you just need to actually show that you can actually edit your profile that actually belongs to you. You can also maybe your Twitter or X account or your Facebook. Go to profile, and you can simply screenshot this. Okay, making sure that you can actually show the edit profile. You can upload here. Right after that, you need to actually agree with the terms of service, and then you can submit this to TikTok. So take note, it takes about 30 days for decision. You will receive an email from the TikTok team saying they need more information about you. All you need to do is follow what they're asking. It has to be from the TikTok official email account, not from a Gmail. Okay. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.